Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another HelloFresh food review. I don't know if it technically counts as a review because I have had this meal before, but we have the Firehouse cheeseburger with potato fries. I know the video does not look as good, but I promise you this thing is delicious. Don't let the name Firehouse scare you. It it does have some spice to it. Um, but if you do not like spice, you can absolutely tune it back. I my I myself do love spicy food. So I dumped in all the red hot. I dumped in all of the cayenne powder. I dumped in honestly some of my own hot sauce because I like it spicy. But this meal is so easy to make. It was all able to be made in like 20 minutes. 20 maybe 30 minutes. Um if you can make a cheeseburger, I promise you can make this. It is incredibly simple. It is a cheeseburger. You mix all of the seasonings, everything in one bowl, make the patty, you make the dressing that goes on top. It is sour cream, I believe ranch, and some other spices and some dried onions on top. I promise you will absolutely 100% love this freaking cheeseburger. It is absolutely delicious. Mmm. There is a reason why I keep coming back for this. And no, it's not because I'm a sucker for cheeseburgers. Um, because I most certainly am. But it's because it is absolutely delicious. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are thinking about trying HelloFresh, I fully recommend getting one of these in your meal, and you will not be disappointed. So, until the next review, I hope y'all have a wonderful evening.